Can we do it then?
Why drones are replacing traditional inspections? Inspecting large infrastructure has never been easy. Power lines, solar plants, factories, bridges, and construction sites often require people to climb heights, use scaffolding, or shut down operations just to check for issues. These inspections take time. They increase costs, and in many cases, they expose workers to serious risks. This is where drones are changing the way inspections are done. With drone technology, inspectors no longer need to physically reach dangerous or difficult areas. A drone can fly close to structures, capture high-resolution images, and provide a complete aerial view in minutes. Instead of spending days on manual inspections, teams can now survey large areas quickly and safely from the ground. For industries, this means faster inspections, fewer safety risks, and minimal disruption to operations. Drones can also capture detailed visual data that helps engineers identify small issues before they become major problems. At Garuda Aerospace, drones are designed to support industries with precise aerial inspections, helping organizations monitor assets, improve safety, and make better decisions. Because today, inspection is no longer just about reaching the problem, it's about seeing it clearly from the sky.